Moses. Red bombs on the shoes like it's roses. I'm sorry I could never see you down. I'm sorry I could never turn you frown. I'm sorry always fall by the drown. Niggas wanna stop me like some red lights.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Daniel back with another video. Now in this video it's going to be another how-to video. If you remember in the last video I showed you how to fit a subwoofer into your car. This video is going to be showing you how to wash your car. Small tips and tricks, products you should be using, everything like that when you should be washing your car. All the products that I'm using, the link will be in the description below. Feel free to comment, like and subscribe if you want. I feel like you should subscribe, it will really change your life. But yeah, let's go. Now the first thing which I do need to say, you don't want to wash your car if you live in a hot country. I live in the UK, but if you live in a hot country or you live in the UK and it's the middle of summer, you do not want to wash your car in the middle of the day when the sun's glaring down on your car. You don't want to do that. You want to wash it either in the morning or in the evening, or when it's not too hot. So today is perfect. You can't really see the sky, to be honest. Yeah, there we go. Quite a cloudy day. It's about probably 10-11 degrees. So today is like basically the perfect day for me to wash my car. So when you are doing cars, it's better to stick with what you know, stick with the companies you know, the brands you know. So the brand that I use is Turtle Wax. I've been using them for quite a while now and I've had nothing. Well, I used to use Auto Glim, but I wasn't a big fan of them, to be honest. So I changed to Turtle Wax and I've never looked back. So I've got the Turtle Wax Snow Foam, the Wash and Wax Shampoo, the hydrophobic wax, which is also a sealant, so it locks in the wax that you put on the car with this, glass cleaner, wheel cleaner, and then the tyre back to black. Now also what you want to do is you want to have two different wash mitts, one for the car, this one's nice and soft, and then this one is harder, more abrasive, which is for the wheels. Now my car is actually pretty dirty, as you can see. Look at all of that. I'll take a before and after picture. Go around to the back as well. I'll take a before and after picture so you can have a look at the end. But yeah, so it's pretty dirty. We've had rain. We've had 25-degree weather. Time for a clean. We're going to start off by pouring the snow foam in. It does have a ratio of how much you're meant to pour in to water, but you know, I'm not really going to pay attention to that, to be honest. I'm going to pour it in. I don't know if I'm spilling any. I'm going to pour it in until my ancestors tell me to stop. No, we want more than that. Yeah, that should be enough. And I'm going to add about the same amount of water, so about a 50-50 mix. So the first thing you want to make sure is that the whole car is nice and wet, so let me do that. Now, I don't know if you can see me, now we're going to add the snow foam. Now the key to using the snow foam is to make sure the whole car is white. The whole car is absolutely covered. You know where to go if you want me. Girl, you can even call me. I'll be there by the morning cause I want you. So as you can see, the whole car is absolutely covered with the snow foam. Looks great, doesn't it? So once you put the snow foam on the car, you want to leave it for, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute. And then you want to get your jet wash and jet wash the car off. Just get rid of all the snow foam. What it does is it gets the first layer of grime, the first layer of crap off the car. So let's do that. I want you, come on the one above you, be giving all my loving to you. I wanna make us something that's true. So if you're ready, Nana, I'll take you back to mine, come and take banana. Oh baby, to my happiness, you be the answer. I can take away your breath, you develop asthma.
So girl, be steady. Girl, don't you know I'm the one?
Okay, so I should have done this first. Don't know why I didn't. But what you want to do is obviously fill the bucket up with the wash and wax shampoo. And fill it up with water. So the weather completely depends on how much you want to do. So if it's a hot day, obviously when I'm doing customers' cars, I can't really do it in the morning or even it's got to be in the middle of the day. So if it's a hot day, what I'll do is I'll do a panel at a time. So for example, I'll do this front panel in that door, and then the rear door and the rear panel, then the boot side. But today it's not that hot. So once I've started, the water's not going to dry in the car, so I'm going to do a whole side at a time. Starting with the roof, the windscreen, back window, wash them off. So let's do that, let's go, let's make a move.
Kelly, you're the Kelly to my Nelly. I dream that we can be on the telly. Don't be scared, I'll give my all to you. That's right. Anytime you need me, you can hold me tight till the morning light. Baby, you're my kryptonite, yeah. How did I get you as the clue? Before I had nothing to lose. To the Bahamas on a cruise. Baby, I'll do this only for you. Oh, yeah. Hey, yeah. All over the world I'll go. Never gonna make you lonely. Now you know it's time to grow. You're always gonna be my trophy. Although the time has come when I said away, yeah. Remember.
So now the whole car's washed off, not dried yet, because we're going to do the wheels first. And then, oh, what's that? Oh gosh. Why did no one tell me about that? Yeah, here we go. So the whole car's clean now, it's not dry. We're just going to do the wheels and then put the hydrophobic wax on and dry the car. Then you're going to get your mitten, the wheel mitten, bucket of water with the washing wax in it. Get that wet.
In your mind that I meant to stay.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to use the sealant, the hydrophobic wax. Basically what that does is it locks in all of the original wax that you put on with the washing wax. This has got a wax feature as well. Protects the car, get my words out. Creates a protective layer over the car so dirt can't burn into the actual paint or marks and stuff. Literally you just be able to rub them off. You want to have 2 microfiber cloths, one for spraying it on and then going over it, and then this one to kind of polish it. So
Now, you don't have to force a smile. You'll always have my shoulder to cry on. So baby, do you want me? I say yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Baby, you're my kryptonite. Come here, baby, put your all in for me. You can't touch, but your eyes can see. So honest, you be the smartest. I'm down for you, so come and put it on me. When I'm gone, don't ever look back, cause I'm gone for good. Why would we stay together when we're just broke?
now once again, you're going to want 2 microfiber cloths to do the windows. One spray, wipe off. Second one polish.
And you thought we couldn't. Now you're the biggest problem, girl, and that's a fact.
So the outside of the car is now all clean. Look at that. So that right there is how to do a full effective clean on exterior of your car. Yeah? Sorted.